Hello, sir. It's Mohammad Ali, the CEO of Ali Web Digital Solution. We especially working for Google as suspension and Google as disapprove issue. Uh, Today, I'm going to discuss about my recent successfully project that was Google as disapproved for circumventing policy issue. And if I show you that, you can see it's cost 1.13 million, so it's a lots of cost, you can see. And this ads account got disapproved for circumventing policy issue. If you see that circumventing system issue, and it's successful. Okay, now it's 13 November. Today is 13 November. Okay, so if you see that there is lots of appeal they failed, but when I'm working on it, then it got successfully approved. Okay, so if you see that there is lots of cost in this ads account, and now you can see, if I show you that there is, you can see lots of cost that they have made it. Okay, so if I show you today data, you can see. Okay, it's working. Okay, it's got impression and click. Okay, if I show you we started data, you can see there is cost. Okay, so if you can see this mail, and here that was 254468, and that was 254486. Okay, so here that was a disapprove issue, and Google replied us, and that was for 14 hours ago, and they update me that there was circumventing system issue. And you can see that I am glad to inform you that the domain come back clean and it's safe for malvertising valuation. Okay, so Google 14 hours ago update us that there is no issue more, and now it's working fine. So here you can see, yeah, all is perfect. So this is another real case that we are working on it. So if you face any issue in your Google Ads campaign for any kinds of suspension or disapprove, feel free to knock us. We are always ready for working with your cases, and we're really excited to working